Imagine not having to leave home to screen for colon cancer. With the Cologuard kit, you don't have to. It's delivered straight to your door. And completing the kit? Well, that feels just as easy as receiving it. In fact, in just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to complete your kit, collect your sample, and ship it to the lab where it'll be tested. You may receive communications from Exact Sciences laboratories to remind you to use your Cologuard kit if you haven't already. Cologuard has no special prep, so you can complete it when it best fits in your day. Just remember to ship your sample back the same day or next day after collection. You can either schedule a complimentary pickup or drop off the kit at the nearest UPS location. One more thing before we begin. Check the expiration date on the box. Bet you didn't know a collection kit could expire, huh? If it's good, let's go. Step 1. Let's get you unboxed. Go ahead and pull out your instructions and unpack the contents for collection. Leave the plastic bag and white tray at the bottom of the kit. You'll need them to safely ship your sample back. Take your time to check that you have your bracket, sample container, bottle of preservative liquid, tube, and sample labels. Is everything laid out? Great! You're ready for step 2, setup. Raise the toilet lid and seat. Unfold the bracket and place it on the toilet rim toward the back. Lower the seat. Then unscrew the lid of the large container and slip the container into the bracket. Perfect. See? It's simple. Let's move on to step 3. All right, time for step 3, collect your sample. While you do your thing in there, we'll have a little dance party out here. Go ahead and just sit on the toilet and have a bowel movement into the container. Seriously, right in there. As long as there's no blood and your sample isn't watery from a recent illness, you're in the clear. Just remember, your sample doesn't have to be perfect, but should reflect whatever is normal for you. When you're done, stand up, lift the container from the bracket, and place it on the counter, but leave it open. Only a few more steps until it's time to ship. Once you're set, we're ready for step 4. On to step 4, preparing your sample. Grab the small white tube. Yep, that's the one. Unscrew the cap and pull out the probe. Now scrape the surface of the sample until you cover the grooves on the probe. Put the probe back into the tube. Screw the cap closed completely. Then empty all of the preservative liquid from the bottle into the container. Anything left in the bottle? No? That's what we want to hear. Next, place the lid on the container. Screw it on straight and tight. Then toss the empty preservative liquid bottle and the toilet bracket into the trash or recycling. Won't be needing those anymore. See how easy that was? Now, let's get to filling out those labels. Step 5. You're almost there. Before you pack your box, you need to label your samples so we know it's yours and when you collected it. The labels may be on the back of the Quick Start Guide or loose in your kit. Don't worry, it's just as simple as the rest of the kit. First, check your shipping label and take note of how your name and address are written. Then, using a ballpoint pen, clearly print your name, date of birth, and date and time of collection on the blank sample labels. Label your sample container and tube like this. You got it! Now that this step is done, all there is to do is pack and ship it. Step 6, your final step. Carefully pack your box back up and ship it the same day or the next day after collection. Here's how to make that happen. Peel back this label and voila, you'll find a prepaid and pre-addressed return label. Isn't that convenient? Next, go to Cologuard.com/return, where you can find the nearest UPS locations to drop off your sample or schedule a contact-free pickup. Plan to collect your sample when you can get it back to UPS the same day or the next day. Make sure a Sunday or a holiday won't delay your shipment. After you drop off or have your kit picked up, it will be shipped directly to our lab. Yep, that's simple. Most patients will receive their results within 8 to 10 days. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your day.